Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is UdokaJane from Des Moines, Iowa. So if you want to know how I got this look, this is an updated makeup tutorial. Please stay back and keep watching. There's a new techniques for brow right now. So I'm using this edge control called UD Hair Food Edge Control. Is my edge control, is my product. Applying a little bit of this edge control all over my eyebrows and brushing it with an eyebrow brush. And after brushing it, I use my hand to dress the edge control on my eyebrows properly, and after that I also use an eye pencil to give strokes on my eyebrows just to fill it up a little bit, fill the empty places. Finally, I line my eyebrows with the eye pencil also. I'll be using an angle brush to define my eyebrows. I'm using a Too Faced concealer in color Golden Beige. And after that, I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in color 315 to define the top of my eyebrows. If you must define your upper brows, please use a concealer or a foundation that matches your color. Guys, here, honestly, I was just trying to be creative right here. I decided to try this tape thing to see what I can come up with my eyeshadows. I don't know, you guys tell me what I did here. Honestly, tell me if I did a good job or whatever. So I have a regular nameless, like not a big brand name eyeshadow palette, and I'm trying it out right here to see what I can come up with. So let's see what I'm going to come up with at the end of the day. I would just say I'm playing with an eyeshadow right here, or just playing with eyeshadows, trying different things, you know. We're all trying to be creative. Yep.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything.
Okay guys, I'm almost done right now. Tell me, is this coming out really nice? Does this look good? Let's see. So I'm going to line my eyes, like my waterline, with this black eye pencil. And also I'm going to be using these fantastic eyelashes from Keys. And of course the Keys adhesive lash glue. Guys, this is the end look. It was quick. I couldn't, get that part very well. It's time to beat the face, guys. And I'm using the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas Primer on my face. And I'm also using my foundation called Fenty Beauty Foundation on color 315. The best secret to achieving a fine foundation application on your face is by using a wet blending sponge, guys. Use a wet blending sponge to apply foundation. Also use it for your concealer or whatever you're blending. Like, use a wet blending sponge. Thank me later after this. And this is also me using my Too Faced concealer in color Golden Beige to conceal the concealable areas on my face, and also contouring my nose with the right shade of concealer.
We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
Guys, to avoid harsh lines between your foundation and your concealer, either the contour or whatever, please blend. You're going to see me blending my face. I'm going to be blending and blending. I'm going to blend very well. When you blend very well, you're going to avoid harsh lines, and also use a wet blending sponge to blend. It's really important. I love you guys. That's why I'm giving you all these teas. So after blending, I'll be using a Too Faced setting powder that is also translucent to set the areas of my face that I concealed. And I'll be using a brush to take off the excess powder on my face. This is me contouring my jaw lines and the contourable areas. I also go ahead to use a mascara on my lower lashes, and I'll be using a pink blush from one of my random blush palettes. and also a highlighter from another random highlighter palette. I'm finishing this makeup with my favorite one size setting spray all over my face. Any Nigerian young lady that does not know about Davis eye pencil is not even a real Nigerian. So I'll be using this to line my lips. I'm using the gorgeous Ruby Wool lipstick on my lips. This is the end look, guys. 10 over 10 plus 10 and a 10 and a half. You guys, I ate every damn thing without leaving a crumb. Let me get your thoughts down in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.